Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my darlings. My channel is all about hair, hairstyle, and fashion. This is my hair page on Instagram at Z Hair Club and my personal page at Zora Style, where I do hair and fashion. So today's tutorial is on how to achieve the Fulani Boho braids like this one you're seeing. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share as well to your loved ones who might find this inspirational. Thank you. The extensions I'm going to use for the back, the curly extensions, I ordered it from Amazon, and I think cost like 44 euros or something. So this is how it looks. It's like a combination of two colors. So in order to achieve or match these colors of the curly extensions, I decided to mix color 27 of the expression extension with color 613. Yeah, that combination gave it that powerful blonde look, you know. And usually before I always do my hair, I like starting the parting from one side of the ear through to the other side of the ear. It helps to ease my work and makes it look seamless. I don't really like braiding my edges, especially as they are quite fragile, so I always leave them out. I may choose sometimes to style them, to lay them down or not, so I just brush that part out, which I'm not going to work out with. And I'm using the red one wax to help my work look smooth, since as I didn't straighten my falsy afro hair before doing this cornrows. So this red one wax helps to achieve a more sleeker look. I'm taking the process quite slow as I can for beginners who find it very difficult to fit in braids for themselves. I'm taking it quite slow, and you can repeat this part of the video over and over again if you don't get it for the first time. So usually you begin or start with very little small amount pieces of extensions, and you keep increasing the size as you braid through backward.
Bensound.com. 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 Bensound.com.
At this point, I decided to up as well for the slant parting, which faces the opposite direction to the other side.
bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button for you wouldn't want to miss out on my upcoming videos.